G'day, it's Tech here and I'm from the channel Bootlosophy. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the Oak Street Bootmakers trench boot. It's their cap-toe trench boot in Natural Chromexcel. So this is the box that they come in. Nicely labeled, Oak Street Bootmakers, Chicago, USA. Took about 2 weeks to get here from the US, which on average is actually pretty good timing coming to Australia. They generally take about 2 weeks, but sometimes, depending on the carrier, can take up to 3 or maybe even 4. I'm destroying this tape, but at least showing you that this is a real unboxing. Open it up. Order details, as usual, covered in a brown paper bag. Oh, I see. And then inside is the actual boot box. A really nice boot box, actually. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it says Oak Street Bootmakers. It's a lid that just slips over the top in a nice bluey grey colour. Inside is a card with care instructions, a note about Horween. Your Oak Street Bootmakers shoes or boots have been handcrafted with the utmost care using renowned Horween leather. Cool. Boot bag. One. I'm assuming there's another one inside. Oak Street Bootmakers. More cardboard. Oh, here we are. The trench boot, cap-toe trench boot with the brogue detailing on the cap-toe. Let's take the other one out. The other one is in the other boot bag, so I don't have to squeeze both into one. I'll just move the box. Leather laces. It's in Chromexcel Natural with a leather sole, rubber heel top lift. The detailing on the brogue cap-toe is what attracted me to these, and I do really like Natty CXL because I have a pair of Parkhurst Spalding boots in Natural CXL and they have aged well. The leather actually is extremely thick, just from the feel of it. You wonder when you first see them on the website whether, you know, US 400 or so is a fair price, considering you can get Parkhursts in the mid 300 and Grant Stones in the excellent quality in the mid 300s. But the immediate feel of these is really thick, solid leather and light because of the leather sole. I think if it had been a leather midsole and a rubber outsole, it would have been a lot heavier. Nice shape, just give you a detailed look. In this light it's not great, but good detailing. So I'll put them on feet and then start wearing them. enjoyed that unboxing video. Now what I do is I'll wear them for a few months so that they're properly worn in, broken in, and I know the pros and cons of what the boot feels like. And then I'm going to bring you a longer term review that talks about the style and aesthetics, the fit, the sizing, and how it's worn. So if you like this video, click on the like button below, and while you're there, click on the subscribe button so that you can see the longer term review of these boots. I'll see you soon.